But before that, I just want to ask Sameer, you've been here, done that, everything. Why did you think of an album? I mean, you've been into playback, you've composed.
Yeah. See, I mean, what was different in me this time round, because I've been in the music line earlier. What I feel is that I have matured as a composer singer. In my first innings, what I like to call it, my first innings, I was only a singer. I used to sing for other people. I have a lot of music in me which I would like to share with the audience, you know, and an album was a great way to do that.
Yeah, but don't you think there's too much clutter in the world of indie pop now?
Yeah, but then unless good people do good work, there'll never be a differentiation.
Very
so
true.
It's very important that you put your message out there. So it's very important that you put your...
in this album, what genre of music are you focusing on?
See, the numbers are mostly soft romantic.
Okay.
But the flavor of each song is different. The first song which you probably see now is an up-tempo song. It's a romantic, melodious up-tempo song.
The title song.
The title song. The second song is a song called Sajda Kar Le, which is again a love-based song, but it's more on a Sufi kind of feel, you know, to it. The third is a soft, romantic, slow number. So what I've tried to, there's a Ghazal Numa Geet also in the album.
I've tried to have a variation.
Because very important. What I feel is that versatility is very important.
Very true. So have you heard the songs of the album?
Yes, they're very nice songs. They're different shades of romance, the way I look at it. And they're very sweet, you know, they're groovy.
Yeah.
Like I tell Sameer always, you can put the CD in your car and you can drive and
enjoy the drive.
You can hum along because they're easy.
Yeah, that's why he's driving a lot in his video.
Yeah.
That's the point.
Clever girl.
Yeah, cool. Well, that's why I'm here. Alright, so now we'll do what we're supposed to do here on the show. There's a mail here from Inji. I think that's how it's supposed to be, right? Inji. Okay. Hi to everybody. Hi. I like the song Diwali. Is there already a CD where I can buy it? Well, we don't have a CD of Diwali. Well, they're talking about, we've done a Diwali song. We For You had done a Diwali song. It's not out on the racks yet. Hopefully it should be out maybe by next year if we have more songs to put in that album. But right now, I'm going to play that song for you. And otherwise, you can go on our website, www.beforyoutv.com, and you can play the song right there. I found a lot of music and I bought it with best regards from Switzerland, Diwali Aire. Well, we're going to play you the song from Karunya. Diwali is way over, but still the festive season is still going on, and we'll quickly take you into the song and we'll come right back, so don't go anywhere. On Be For You, don't go anywhere. You still watch Press. Note down my number. It's 912265882983. My email ID is khushbu@beforyouworld.com. Express ID is beforyouexpress@beforyouworld.com. And come back because we still have Sameer and Gauri in the house, so don't go anywhere.
Watch me on Be For You.
I've already heard one song, but I want to ask you, since you're into music, what do you have to say about the music of both the films? They've already
very different music. Both the movies have very different music, and I really like one song in Om Shanti Om, which is this.
Dastane Om Shanti.
No, not that one. The slow one with the chand and all that.
Oh, acha.
This is that song.
Yaad nahi aa raha, but samajh aa gaya.
It's damn good. I have it in my car. And I was just traveling from Nasik to Bombay.
Shouldn't you be playing your album in your car?
I do play my album also from time to time.
Okay, we won't trouble him on that one. I think we'll quickly take a mail here. Hi, I'm Komal Dugi. I'm in London. I like the show a lot. I want you to play a song. I would like to dedicate this song to everyone, especially for my family and you. This is Das Bahane from the movie Das. Well, I don't know how well the movie did, but the track did really well. So here it is, all the dudes, cool dudes in the song.
Yeah, that's why.
That's the point.
That's the point.
Yeah. So Das Bahane it is, and we'll give you Das Bahane to go and buy the CD of Sameer. But right now, you go and watch this song.
And you're watching me on Be For You.